Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adam here. Today I got a new Optimus Prime, and you're gonna tell me, these are all just pieces. Well, some people actually have these. It's a building Optimus Prime, not like your typical Optimus Prime you just play with it. Me, I personally like how to see how to make it sometimes, so that's why we got the figure. And by the way, it's so expensive. In America, it's $56. Here in Saudi Arabia, you gotta be kidding me, 700 reals. Alright, so let's start with the chest first. So you see me, I organized every piece. So yeah, we're gonna get these pieces and just click them on the chest because it's pretty cool. Guys, I know you're gonna feel like this is not gonna be cool it's not looking cool so far, but it's gonna be looking nice at the end. So now we're gonna have to plug this one in too. Yeah. Right. Sorry guys, other side. Where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. So we got the front. Sorry guys about that. This piece is a bit wobbly. You gotta be kidding me, guys. You're gonna tell me there's no instruction. Actually there is, but I have built this before. So yeah. This piece is always just gonna fall, guys. You know what? This piece we're just gonna leave it here and build the rest, and then at the final we're gonna put this piece. So we're just gonna leave it here. Alright? So we're gonna use these pieces. These pieces are for this part right here. I feel like this is the first side, or let me check, guys. Nope, wrong side. Let me click it. You gotta hear it click. The most parts are actually the legs. Then we're gonna get, I feel like you know this part. So yeah. We got the fuel pipes. I feel like they call it fuel pipes. I don't know, guys. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just click the pieces in. I wanna hear it click. And then we're gonna put these shoulder pads. Yeah, that's what we got for the chest. Let me just put this piece back in. This is the head, but we're gonna put it at the grand finale. So the pieces we finished, we're gonna put them here so we know it's done. So now I'm gonna start with the groin. The groin is pretty easy. We're just gonna start like this, and then we're gonna add these parts. Alright, so you got this piece right here. So we're just gonna add it. Guys, let me see, I feel like I have a problem on the build. Yeah, there we go, it's right. Now this is the back part, not the same part as this. So we're gonna add this in the back part, like that. Each time we're gonna start going like right around. Sometimes this toy can be frustrating, but you'll get it. I see what's the problem, guys. You're gonna have to put these pieces before you add it. I saw the problem. But don't worry, problems always resolve. And let's rip like this. Yep. So we got the back. I'm gonna put it right here like the chest. Now, oh, the torso isn't done, guys. I forgot. And add this piece too. But let's just leave them here aside for now. And for now, I'm gonna actually start with the most pieces. Now the legs. So these are what the legs look like with no piece in armor. So yeah, these are the legs. So we're gonna start arming it, and that's it. So I actually have memorized all the pieces where they go to, and we're gonna add the leg together, just like this. You're gonna have to squeeze it a bit. You can give it a full 360. That's all there. Okay. Now we're gonna add the other one like this. Right. These red pieces are actually gonna go through here. And, you know, they're red. No, guys. Sorry. Round piece. This is the wrong one. Other one. So yeah, got the first leg. I'm gonna work on the first leg, then we can work on the other leg. So now we're gonna actually add this piece on the back. Oh guys, sorry about this. This is the wrong way. It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this. Sorry guys. Sometimes I get confused which way. We're gonna work on one leg at a time. Then we're just gonna take that piece, plug it right in. Nice. Starting to get along, and I feel like we all know this part. Nice. Now we're gonna actually add this part, which is, I feel like it's supposed to be. Guys, you always have to add another piece before the pieces. We're gonna need some strong hands. Dad, can you please plug this in? Yeah, it's painful. And these are some of the weapon, guys. We got the sword, we got the shield, and as we all know, we got the knife hand. But I feel this is actually an Optimus Prime. Last night, if you didn't know, we got another piece for the head, and you know, the blood part of it. Nice, we got the piece connected. Right, next, I feel like we're gonna have to add this now. Nice, better. Now we're gonna have to work on this part. This part, it's a pretty simple part. We're gonna use this. for the side. Guys, I'm actually speeding since, we don't have to, you don't have to skip. So I'm going as fast as I can, guys. Right? Click that in. Nice. I'm gonna take these pieces and just plug it right in like that. Here I have to make sure it's fully in. So yeah, guys, let me just do it. Oh yeah. Nice. We got the piece ready on this side. And we're gonna add the piece here now. I feel like it's coming along pretty fast. Okay, so I got this piece here. Now we're gonna need another piece, which I assume it's this one. No. It's this one. Yeah, this one, guys. I think that's good. And we're gonna add this piece in. Alright, we fixed it. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, so we got nice. Nice. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the other side, and I feel like you all know the pieces. So yeah. If all the pieces, guys, literally fell. Literally fell. Actually, guys, there's a display base too, so we're gonna do that too. Yep, got that piece in. Guys, I can't seem to do it, so we're gonna let my dad do it again. Dad? Plug it in. I already told the fans. Alright, Dad is putting it back in. Thank you. Yeah, guys, I figured out. This piece is the wrong one. I knew it. Pieces always just get mixed up here. This is killing me, guys. I know how to use my old methods. Okay, guys, so we're doing this right now. Dad, can you please take off this piece? It was the wrong piece. Wrong piece. Wait, is it? No. Dad, it's not the wrong piece. I'm wrong. Or am I? Maybe it's like that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I fixed it. Sometimes I make problems by switching the pieces, so yeah. I think you all know the pieces, so I'm just doing it without you. So guys, I feel like you all know the pieces. So let's just do it. Turn that back to the other side. Let's just take a long time, guys. Arms, we're gonna finish them in probably like 1 minute. I'm not sure. Yep, knew it. I knew we lost a piece. So, we'll just keep on doing this. And I got the 2 legs done. It's just that easy. Now we're just gonna work on the hand. And we're all done. And FYI, the hands took me ever when I started building it. Guys, I am not very sure this is the same piece. So I'm gonna actually bring the buildings. So yeah, guys, we're starting it. Got the Quintesson logos and that. We got it. Next, we're gonna put this piece in. Like that. Simple. Alright guys. So I feel like this should be a piece here. Alright, so we got that in. Now second piece, which we're gonna actually go like this. Okay guys, got the pieces in. Now we're gonna have to put this piece. Alright, we got that piece in. I'm gonna put this piece right in. Guys, these pieces just kill me. This piece is like super hard to get in. So if you feel it, you know it. Guys, I'm actually gonna check my iPad. I have a video of it because I'm not sure if it's like this way or the wrong way. So let me check. Sorry. Got the piece in, guys. Now we're gonna add our other one. Yeah, guys. You're gonna have to put this in. Where does this piece almost fall, guys? Right, we got it. So now we're gonna have to add the final touches to it, like adding the arm. We're gonna have to remove some parts to add the arm first. Now we're gonna add the piece here. And that's the arm. You got it. And now we're gonna have to work on the last part, the arm. Last piece and we're all good. So let me take all the arm pieces. Thank you very much. Let's start building it. So first I'm always gonna start like this. Take the hand. And where it goes. Guys, you know you can actually switch the arms and put them here. There's actually other arms right there, but they don't move. Like only these one moves. But I feel like the fist one looks so cool. Okay, we add that piece. Now we're gonna have to add the other pieces. this one. Alright, so let's put the piece in. So I already put it in, guys. This one is a bit hard. That's why. Alright, so guys, I'm sorry I haven't talked because these pieces are just killing me. Hands are the most annoying thing. Legs, chest, groin, everything else is easy, even display base. But this one, this rips my chest off. Right. Last piece, guys, to finish the arm. And we're done. Now, the last piece we're gonna do is display base. And I didn't tell you about display base. I left it a surprise. So yeah, let's make it. Display base only has 3 parts, which I really actually like. You got you got the display base and the Autobot insignia. Go like that, and we got it. So we got all pieces ready, so let's build them. So let's take this in and just like squeeze it in. I have to use some of my strength to do it. Yep, got it in. Like that. Now we're gonna put the other one right here. So we got the head now, guys. Ready? Oh yeah, look at this. Now we're adding the arms. We're gonna give it a little scoop like that first. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is your build. Optimus Prime. Here's a quick tour of the back. Nice. I'm gonna take it and add the mask. There's actually a mask, guys. So nice. And this is what we got, guys. I'm actually really loving this. This piece all is full, guys. Well, we finished it anyway. And right now, for our last part, yeah, sword. We can actually do something with the sword and shield. You can see this piece in the back. Just take it like nothing. We took the piece off the back. It's actually a piece, but it came like that in the package. So that's what I did with it. Okay. And then we're gonna alright. So we can add this piece here. Have the sword here. We're gonna add another piece at the back. Like that. And then we're just gonna put it right back in. Touch it, and then you got your sword and shield. And look, hands off. If you don't believe me, check for yourself. Hands off. Hands off. So yeah, guys, that's what we got. Alright, guys, since we did that, now I'll show you some stuff we also got. And we're all done. Right. So this is the other pieces. You can only put the sword too. We got Nemesis Prime. Should I give them a quick tour, guys? Should I give you a quick tour? You know, yeah, let's do it. So you're gonna have to actually take off the head first. Like, yeah. And then the head, you can, it's actually pieces. So you can just take them like they're nothing. And then you can just put that right in there. We got the other piece. Actually, guys, this toy can light up, but I don't got the batteries for it. The batteries are super small, like a metal circle. So yeah, Nemesis Prime in the building. Alright, guys, like and subscribe, hit the notification bells, and I'll see you in the next one.